Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a crucial topic: health insurance. Whether we're feeling perfectly healthy or facing unexpected medical issues, understanding health insurance is essential in navigating the cost of our healthcare. In this video, we'll define what health insurance is and discuss its importance in protecting our finances during times of illness or accidents. We'll cover what services are typically included in health insurance and the various costs associated with insurance plans. By the end of this video, you should have clearer understanding what health insurance is and why it's an indispensable part of managing our healthcare needs. So, let's dive in. What is health insurance? Health insurance is a legal agreement or contract where a health insurance company helps pay for your healthcare costs. What does the health insurance cover? A health insurance may help pay for doctor services, medications, hospital care, and special equipment when someone is sick or injured. It may also help cover a stay at a rehabilitation hospital or even a portion of home health care. Health insurance can also keep a consumer's costs down when they are not sick. For example, it can help pay for routine checkups. Most health insurance also covers many preventive services at no cost, such as immunizations, cancer screenings, and counseling. Why is health insurance important? Well, it's important because it protects you financially if you get sick or if you have an accident. Without health insurance, the amount you have to pay may be significantly higher. So, you want to prepare for those times. What is a health insurance plan? The health insurance plan is also called a health plan or policy. It is a package that outlines the healthcare items and services that are covered. It specifies what insurance company will help pay for and what costs you might be responsible for. It also defines how long the coverage applies, which could be the duration of the policy. How do you pay for health insurance? Let's talk about the types of costs when you have health insurance. Consumers typically pay the following types of costs when they have insurance. They have a premium and they have cost sharing. The premium is an amount of money a consumer pays for a health insurance plan. Usually, they pay this on a monthly basis, whether they're going to use the services or not, and it also must be paid regardless of how many services, if any, they are going to use. The cost share is the share of costs for covered services that consumers must pay out of pocket, and they pay this to the providers like the doctors, the lab, the pharmacy. And this term generally includes deductibles, coinsurance, and copayments, but it doesn't include premiums. Remember, the premium is the amount of money you pay the health insurance plan, whether you're going to use the benefits or not. While the cost share is the share of cost for covered services that you have to pay for out of your own pocket, and you pay this to the provider only when you see them to use their services. Now, your cost sharing include your deductibles, co-payments, and co-insurance. The deductible. This is the amount that you must pay for covered healthcare services received before your plan begins to pay. For example, if you have a deductible of $1,000, then your plan won't pay anything until you paid $1,000 for covered healthcare services. And when you meet your deductible, you will either pay a copayment or a coinsurance. The copay or copayment is a fixed dollar amount. For example, $20. This is what you pay for a covered healthcare service after you've paid your deductible. Now, the coinsurance is the percentage of the cost of covered healthcare service that you will pay after paying a deductible. For example, 15% of the cost of the service or 20% of the cost of a prescription. So you either pay the copayment or the coinsurance after you've paid your deductible. What is the max out-of-pocket? An out-of-pocket maximum is the most money you'll pay for covered healthcare services in a year. It's also known as an out-of-pocket limit. Now, how does it work? You pay for your deductible, coinsurance, and copays toward your out-of-pocket maximum. Once you reach your out-of-pocket maximum, your health insurance pays 100% of covered costs for the rest of the year. Out-of-pocket maximums reset each year. For example, you have a max out-of-pocket of $1,500 for your health plan. So, you went to see your doctor and then you met your deductible of $1,000 and then you went back for a few more visits and you have to pay a copay totaling $500. Then now you meet your $1,500 max out of pocket. Your health plan will now cover 100% of your covered services for the rest of the year, and it will reset in the following year. Remember, the cost-sharing amounts such as the deductible, copayment, and coinsurance, these count toward the max out-of-pocket. And your premium does not count toward the max out-of-pocket, only the cost-sharing amount. Remember, you don't normally reach the max out-of-pocket. You only reach this when you are going to utilize a lot of services. For example, when somebody got into an accident, they got admitted into the emergency room, and then from the emergency room, they got transferred into the inpatient hospital where they stayed for a few days or more. And then when they left the hospital, the doctor sent them to the rehab services such as occupational therapy, physical therapy. In other words, when you are utilizing a lot of services, you will be paying a lot of cost-sharing amounts. And when you do, you are more likely to reach your max out-of-pocket. Just a quick recap of what we have learned. We talked about what a health insurance is, why is it important, what does it cover, what is a health insurance plan, and also how you pay for health insurance. So we talked about the types of health insurance costs. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the essential topic of health insurance. And remember, understanding your health insurance options can empower you to make informed decisions, ensuring that you are financially protected when you need it most. Whether you're planning for the unexpected or simply seeking to maintain your health, having the right health plan coverage can make a significant difference. So if you have any questions or you need further clarification on any topics we covered, please feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. So stay healthy and take care.